Hey everyone, welcome to Bistégs TV. Today we're making a quick and delicious recipe, tofu and spinach in oyster sauce. This dish is so easy, packed with flavor, and perfect for any meal. Want to take tofu from plain to wow? You're in the right place. Let's jump right in and cook something amazing together. First, heat some oil in a pan. When it's hot, carefully place each piece of tofu in. Let them cook until they turn a nice golden brown. This will make them crispy and delicious. All right, now that one side is golden, let's carefully flip each piece of tofu to cook the other side. We want that same golden brown color here too. This quick step makes the tofu crispy outside and soft inside, giving us perfect texture for every bite. Now that the tofu is beautifully golden on both sides, let's take it off the heat. We'll cut each piece into small cubes, making sure they're bite-sized so they'll soak up all the flavor from our sauce. Place the cubes on a plate and set them aside for later. These crispy little cubes are going to be the star of the dish. They'll absorb the savory sauce and pair perfectly with the spinach. Trust me, it's worth the extra step. All right, it's time to build some flavor. Add a little more cooking oil to an empty pot and let it heat up. Once it's ready, toss in some minced garlic. Stir it around and let that garlic sizzle, releasing a wonderful aroma. This is going to be our base of flavor. Next, we're adding in chopped onions. Stir these in with the garlic and let them cook until they become soft and translucent. As the onions cook, they'll start to release their natural sweetness, which will add depth to our dish. This step might seem simple, but it's essential for creating that rich, savory taste that's going to bring our tofu and spinach together beautifully. Just give it a little time, and you'll smell the difference. Now that our garlic and onions are perfectly cooked, it's time to add the spinach leaves. Gently place them into the pot and give everything a good stir, making sure the spinach is well coated with all those wonderful flavors from the garlic and onions. Spinach cooks down quickly, so watch as it begins to wilt. It'll turn a vibrant green, adding beautiful color and freshness to the dish. Stir it well to help it absorb all the flavor. This step keeps the spinach tender and tasty without losing any of its nutrients. Just a few stirs, and our spinach will be ready for the next step. All right, now it's time to bring everything together. Let's add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce to our pot. This rich, savory sauce is going to add that signature umami flavor, making every ingredient come alive. Give it a quick stir to mix it well with the spinach, garlic, and onions. You'll notice the aroma really starts to deepen. Now let's bring back those golden tofu cubes we set aside earlier. Gently add them into the pot and be sure to coat each piece with our flavorful sauce. The tofu will start to absorb all that savory goodness, making every bite incredibly tasty. To enhance the flavor even further, we'll add half a teaspoon of umami seasoning. A little goes a long way in boosting that savory profile. Stir everything together slowly and carefully, letting the tofu soak up the sauce and mix well with the spinach. We're going to let this cook for just a few more minutes to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended. And that's it. Our tofu and spinach and oyster sauce is ready to serve. The combination of the crispy tofu, fresh spinach, and rich sauce makes this dish truly unforgettable. It's a simple recipe with bold flavors that's sure to impress. Just take a moment to appreciate how all these ingredients come together. The crispy tofu, tender spinach, and that savory oyster sauce. It's amazing how such simple ingredients can create something so flavorful and satisfying. This dish is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a quick lunch, a side for dinner, or even something to impress guests. Easy, delicious, and packed with flavor. And there you have it. Our delicious tofu and spinach and oyster sauce is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. We hope you loved cooking with us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and of course, subscribe for more tasty recipes. Stay tuned for more exciting dishes, and until then, happy cooking. Cheers.